Alright, here we have the JBL Reflect Aero noise cancellation. That's how they look like. Let's see how we get into this box. Pull on this tab. Just need to cut open here and here. Now we can pull out. Look at this. Nice. Okay. So there's here the cables in the box with the earpieces and the cable. Let me put this up. Then here is the carry case. Oh, there's a picture of it. And then here are the earbuds. And then there is the paperwork. And this is just a cardboard box for recycling, right? That's how they look like. Oval holes. Look at that. That's the right. And here we have the left. It's the wide left. Look at it. Oval holes, right? Yeah. Oh, look at it. Carry case. Charge indicator here. USB-C. Nice cradle. There you see the light coming on. Comes in there. There they are. Well, they're charging. The battery is half full, right? Then in here, earpieces. Oh, and then those. Hey, remove this like this. Oh, look at that. There's your wedding rings. And then there are the different earpieces, different sizes. Very small, very large. Medium is on there already. And down here you have the charge cable. Okay. Short USB-C cable. And down here. And those things here, you can all match your ear if you have a ear that is not average. If it's either small or big, you can adjust those on the headsets.